फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज अंकुर फ्रॉम बाइकaholic। आज हमारे पास LS2 का बिल्कुल एंट्री लेवल का डुअल स्पोर्ट हेलमेट। सो दिस इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर हेलमेट इन दिस प्राइस रेंज। काफ़ी टाइम से LS2 MX436 was in the market. It was going well. कुछ इसकी शॉर्टकमिंग्स थी, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स थी, बट स्टिल अ वेरी पॉपुलर हेलमेट। किस चीज़ के लिए? फॉर इट्स वेट, for its look, its comfort. So this was considered to be a very good lightweight off-road slash dual sport helmet for its design. So it has served pretty well. Now what we have seen is the Pioneer 2 from LS2. This definitely looks like an upgrade or a next generation helmet. ये पहले से visually अगर मैं sizing देख करूँ, this has grown bigger. This looks bigger. अगर हम देखें, it was still a very modern helmet. इसके अंदर pin lock was provided, a full size pin lock. It had the dual visor. So अगर हम देखें, the sun visor was a very important thing at that time, which it had it, and a very good sun visor. It had good visibility, less complaints. Padding quality was sufficiently good as well. So overall, it was still a very good choice. However, इसके कुछ shortcomings थे. For example, it is a very noisy helmet, because अगर आप देखें सामने तो ये closable vents थे, आपके fixed vents थे, but still very open. So say anything above 80 to 100, यहाँ problems आती हैं. Still was considered to be good because of the lightweight nature. जैसे हम देखते हैं with the LS2 culture and trends right now, so they are coming with Storm 2, you can say Vector 2, now the Pioneer 2 from LS2. So when I just immediately see this helmet, इसके proportions बड़े हो गए हैं. This looks visually bigger, but better built. So अगर मैं build compare करूँ from the previous MX436, this is better built and feels very strong at hands. तो काफ़ी मुझे लगता है confidence भी आता है in comparison to the older helmet. Beak अगर मैं compare करूँ दोनों की, तो beak का it has been pushed back. So you have a better vision and visibility across. This is one of the very important things I noticed at the front. कि visibility has grown much wider. अगर इसका एक bigger sibling है MX701, very similar to the specs of the MX701, but keeping the traits of MX436. The vents have been increased. So अगर हम देखें, ये closable vents at the front. Side के vents छोटे हैं and they're not open as the previous MX436. जो next मुझे visible दिखता है change is the bedding across it. तो अगर इसमें यहाँ पे चेक करें, this closure, this rubber bedding, इसकी वजह से wind noise is substantially going to be lower than the previous version. Previous generation और इस generation में the bedding quality, because of the wind noise and the insulation, ये काफ़ी अच्छा हो गया है. So over the road real time के अंदर this is going to serve you much better. The internal visor still looks very similar. What other changes have been done is the vents. अगर आप इस helmet को overall देखें across the vents, तो इसमें vents काफ़ी बढ़ गए हैं. Since it's a dual sport helmet, the purpose is for a kind of high riding, when you're sitting high above any of the off-road bikes. तो यहाँ पे you have the vents across. इसके 3 vents ऊपर दिए गए हैं, which looks like काफ़ी air ventilation होगा. Rear में अपने पास exit vents भी हैं, which are quite big. So overall, this helmet is going to be, you can say, very airy, and after काफी airflow is going to be a lot better. Other changes are the padding quality and the padding around it. Still, removable padding है आपका. यहाँ पे आपको quick release दिया जाता है. So you can consider that it's not a track focused helmet, and it will be used mainly for the off-road sessions or for the intercity riding or for the touring purpose. So quick release does serve better. One more very important thing I need to know is as I said, the build quality has gone much better. So अगर यही look and feel आपका इसकी quick release system में आता है, which is matches with the higher range of LS2 helmet. तो हम देखा जाए तो LS2 के जो upper range के helmets हैं, वो carried back हुआ है इसके entry level MX436 Pioneer Evo के अंदर. ये आपका काफ़ी comfortable रहेगा for the longer journeys. It is still very durable. Padding removable है, Bluetooth can be installed, which we have seen. Padding definitely looks more padded and comfy. हाँ, sizing में because of the change in the padding shape, what we have observed is कि अगर आप M पहनते थे LS2 MX436 का, so it's not going to be possibly an M in some cases या फिर L, because the padding is much thicker and काफी hugging है compared to the previous MX 436.
So feedback after wearing it, more snug, that's the word. Specs की entry easily हो गई थी मेरी. जो pressure points are this definitely is a void area around it अगर आप देखें. So my field of vision is much better in Pioneer 2. So moving across, this is better. This is definitely a heavy helmet. It feels heavier than the MX 436 Pioneer, but once you wear it, it definitely hugs you better. So as soon as I close the visor, मुझे feel हो रहा है that I am isolated. मैं काफ़ी isolate हो गया हूँ दुनिया से. And I think this insulation is much better and is a great improvement across the MX 436. Visor भी change हो गया है in comparison. For sure, this is a good upgrade from the MX 436. Alright, back-to-back comparison of the new Pioneer Evo to the older one. Massive difference. Pioneer 2 में मुझे visor नहीं दिखता था in the visibility field. I can see it here. So massive difference in terms of the fit and finish, the overall snug, how the visor has been. So मुझे यहाँ भी अभी on the top side of it, I can see the visor around it. Ratchets definitely feel करते हैं. They are not that refined as the previous one. This definitely feels lighter. काफ़ी comparison back to back अगर मैंने पहना तो मुझे lighter feel हो रहा है. What I would not like as the previous version is the intrusion and the visibility field. Visibility field ही इतना डिफरेंस एक सेलिंग पॉइंट हो सकता है एंड दिस इज़ अ मेजर इन लोगों ने इम्प्रूवमेंट किया है. सो आई वुड डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड Pioneer 2 in the entry level part. They definitely look very sturdy. ये LS2 Pioneer 2 if I say about is a worthy definitely entry level helmet. This is priced at 9450 and it is worth it. I would say for an entry level start, this proves to be a very sturdy, good built helmet itself. So thank you and keep riding.